Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm making a bright, hearty Manhattan clam chowder full of vegetables, tender potatoes, and lots of clams. I start by heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven over medium heat. Then I add in 1 medium diced onion, 2 diced celery stalks, 2 diced carrots, 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper and 1/2 of an orange bell pepper. Let these saute for about 6 to 8 minutes until they soften and start smelling amazing. Next, I stir in 3 garlic cloves and let it cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now it's time to build that classic Manhattan flavor. Pour in 2 cups or 480 milliliters of a good seafood stock. Now add in 4 cups or 960 milliliters of clam juice. You want to drain and save the clam juice from the cans of the diced clams that you're going to use. And if you need to have more clam juice, you can buy that in the jars. You need a total of 4 cups. Now I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can or 411 gram of diced tomatoes, and you want to also add the juice that comes in the can. Now I've got some Yukon Gold potatoes and I've kind of given those a rough chop. I like the big chunks in those, and that's 1.5 pounds or 700 grams of these diced potatoes. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This is for a little bit extra heat, and this is completely optional. 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, now I'm going to add a little fresh ground black pepper. And with the salt, you want to make sure that you taste it first, because your clams and the juice might have a little bit of sodium in it, and your seafood stock might have a little bit of sodium in it also. So give your soup a taste before you add any salt. Give everything a good stir, bring it up to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. And we're just going to check our potatoes, because that's what we're going to make sure the potatoes are perfectly tender, fork tender. Once everything is softened and the broth is rich and flavorful, stir in your 4 6.5 ounce or 184 gram cans of chopped clams. Now if you've got fresh, you can definitely use those. Those work really well here also. And we're going to let the chowder simmer for about 5 minutes to warm the clams through without overcooking. If you overcook the clams, they will get a rubbery consistency to them. Now you want to remove your bay leaf, give it a good taste, and adjust your seasoning if you want to add anything at this point. And that's it. Ladle this beautiful tomato-based chowder into bowls. Finish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Light, savory, and packed with flavor. This is Manhattan Clam Chowder done right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.